Deep within the hyper-specialized ballistics of the botanical world, the Himalayan Balsam operates as a biological spring-loaded delivery system. It is a masterpiece of mechanical tension, designed to use stored elastic energy to launch its seeds with explosive velocity. The machine facts of this plant reveal a high-tension seed pod. As the fruit matures, the cells in the outer layers grow at a different rate than the inner layers. This creates a massive amount of internal stress, effectively cocking the pod like a biological crossbow. This engineering solution relies on a hair trigger release mechanism. When the pod is fully pressurized, even the slightest touch from a passing animal or a raindrop causes the latch to fail. The pod instantly deconstructs, curling backward to release its payload. The result is a high-speed ejection event. The seeds are catapulted outward at speeds exceeding 15 miles per hour, traveling up to 23 feet away from the parent chassis. It is a biological version of a fragmentation grenade, designed for maximum territorial expansion. Diagram of the exploding seed pod of a Himalayan balsam showing the spiral curling mechanism. Psychological facts show that humans find this touch-sensitive hardware both alarming and addictive. It challenges our perception of plants as stationary objects. This sudden mechanical burst reminds us that nature's hardware is capable of rapid, automated responses. Humans must treat and care for the riverbanks where these specialized pumps often thrive. While they can be invasive, they are masters of colonization, hardware. Stewardship of our waterways is the only way to manage how these high-speed biological machines spread. The history of elastic mechanics has often looked to these exploding plants. By studying how the pod stores energy without rupturing prematurely, engineers could design better flexible springs. It proves that nature's materials are built to the highest durability specs. Nature facts reveal that the seeds are shaped like aerodynamic pellets. This low-drag design ensures they maintain their kinetic energy during flight. It is a high-performance ammunition system that allows the plant to fire its genetic code across difficult terrain. Caring for the balsam is a form of local ecological management. As they provide late-season nectar for bees, they act as refueling stations for pollinators. Protecting the balance of these plants ensures that the biological grid remains energized during the fall. The machine facts of the pod show it is reinforced with specialized cellulose fibers. This structural coil allows the pod to store energy for days until the trigger is pulled. It is a biological version of a coiled spring, built to hold force with zero power drain. Engineering comparisons often liken the plant to a mechanical sensor. Just as a tripwire triggers an alarm, the balsam pod triggers a launch. It is a zero-electricity, self-loading catapult system that operates purely on solar energy and cellular growth pressure. Every pop is a lesson in stored potential. We often focus on steady progress, but the balsam proves that building up internal tension can lead to a massive breakthrough. It is a reminder that some goals require a sudden, explosive release of energy to be reached. Every riverbed is a laboratory of elastic physics. By respecting the quiet work of these spring-loaded pods, we recognize the labor involved in botanical expansion. It is a partnership between the water, the sun, and the fibers that hold the tension until the moment. Let the balsam remind you of the value of readiness. It isn't enough to grow. You must be prepared to launch when the opportunity touches you. Mastery of life is about knowing how to store your potential and knowing exactly when to let the internal springs go. Take care of the mechanical hardware of our riverbanks. As we look toward the flexible robotics goals of 2026, the Himalayan balsam remains a fascinating consultant for energy storage. Respect the pod and protect the bank, so the master of the pop may continue.